Today we are drawing a super cool cement mixer truck. Grab your paper and pen, and let's start drawing together. Begin with the windshield. A simple front bumper. Now add 2 small headlights. And outline the shape of the hood. Make the edges slightly rounded to keep it cute and friendly. Start with large circles for the tires. Then add smaller circles inside for the wheel hubs. Add the side window. Now it's time for the mixing drum. Draw a large oval laying on its side. Then add 2 curved bands across it to make the drum look more three-dimensional. Next, draw the 2 big wheels. Start with large circles for the tires. Then add smaller circles inside for the wheel hubs. A gas tank. At the back of the truck, add the chute where the concrete pours out. Draw a long, slightly curved shape, and add a few lines to show the mechanical support. Now let's make the scene more fun. A couple of traffic cones in the front. Draw the tire tread. Add a house and a tree behind the truck. A door, few windows. Add another tree and house to make the composition look more balanced.